Hello there, YouTubers. Today I got a vibrating, shaking Eppendorf Centrifuge. Now, as you see, you don't end up having to pop those off. You know, I pulled them off, but you didn't need to. Now, you did need to take out the thing that spins. That would be right here, held on with a 10 millimeter, even a cheap socket set would do. Get that loose. Now you see that's stays there to keep it from flying loose in case things go bad. Yeah, we get that out of the way. There's a few things you need to disconnect. Some ground wires to get at. Alright, so when you undo these four bottom screws, two on each side, there may be some slight amount of glue because that top did not want to come off so easily. Get those four screws out. So I put one of these like right there and gently let it drop to help push that upwards from its metal base. So maybe drop a 1/4 inch or so. Eventually one side broke loose, then I went and got the other side loose. Now to get at the repair, you see these, this is your rubber. Hey Kimber.
Just quickly, I brought the 3 empty helium tanks down here and put them by the one tank that was there.
Alright, any luck getting a hold of Carla?
I'm writing her an email now.
Oh, okay.
What size the tanks were, that's what started that.
Oh, okay.
She's not in today.
Oh. So the reason why this was shaking was, now you see this back one looks shiny. Because I used super glue. The rubber had cracked here and here. Now the rubber up here was not cracked yet, so now under normal, you see this, I flipped it 180 degrees, so the part that was cracked used to be up top, so the weight, you can understand, would crack it here and crack it there. So with that rubber cracked, this was sitting lower than expected and banging, I think, right about there, making a non-life-threatening but very loud clattering noise. Now the other two have not broken yet, but I plan on rotating them 180 degrees by undoing these 10 millimeter bolts and then rotating that 180 degrees so that it now can take where that was under a tear flex and the bottom was under its tear flex and the top is being compressed and the bottom is being compressed. I can now flip it to try to get some more life out of it. I suppose you can hunt down brand new ones, but in a pinch you can get it fixed the same day, get it back out into service, possibly with the MacGyver tube of super glue. Now I'm letting it harden in place because in its new position the rubber is compressing the glue here, and up there it's squeezing the tear together naturally. So I don't need to make a special jig to hold that, to compress that rubber while the glue is curing. I think as a good matter of luck, I'm going to put a little bit of spit on that super glue. I've heard that water will trigger the reaction happening, so whether or not that's true, I've got some spit on there. Alright, thanks for watching the hillbilly repair of a centrifuge.